Studio Microphone. Welcome back to Auto Nova, the home of futuristic automotive experiences. Today, we're stepping into the future of electric luxury with the Faraday Future FF 91, 2025 edition. Sleek, powerful, and intelligent, this is not just a car, it's a technological revolution. Let's take a deep dive from every angle: front, side, engine, interior, back, top, and of course, a cinematic outro that captures its soul. Front view. Studio Microphone. From the front, the 2025 FF 91 commands instant respect. Draped in a deep, pure black finish, its aerodynamic design flows like liquid metal. The signature LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the grille, merging elegance with futuristic aggression. The centerpiece is the number plate boldly reading 2025, reminding us of its cutting-edge identity. Every curve in the hood channels air precisely, boosting performance while maintaining the calm confidence of a luxury flagship. Compared to the 2024 version, the new FF 91 refines the headlight design with sharper optics and smarter adaptive beam control, giving it not just a face, but a powerful presence. Left side view. Studio Microphone. Shifting to the left profile, the car reveals its true silhouette. A sculpted bodyline runs from the headlights to the rear, highlighting its grand length and elegance. Flush door handles melt into the bodywork, maintaining clean aerodynamics. The wheels are massive, futuristic alloys that look ready for both city roads and high-speed highways. Subtle design upgrades from 2024 include a more refined side skirt and improved glass-to-body integration, reducing drag and adding to efficiency. It's a side profile that whispers class while screaming performance. Right side view. Studio Microphone. On the right, the 2025 FF 91 continues its symmetry of luxury and power. The panoramic glass roof extends seamlessly across both sides, making the cabin feel like a floating pot of light. The designers have added precision detailing around the charging port area, ensuring both practicality and style. Compared to 2024, the charging access is now more integrated, with flush panels that maintain the SUV's smooth surface. This right-side stance gives us a view of balance, where design, aerodynamics, and futuristic craftsmanship converge. Engine/powertrain view. Studio Microphone. Now, let's look under the hood, or rather, the powertrain architecture. Unlike traditional combustion vehicles, the FF 91's heart is its tri-motor electric system, producing a staggering 1,050 horsepower. The 2025 model refines the cooling layout and enhances thermal management, ensuring consistent performance during long high-speed runs. The massive 142 kWh battery pack offers up to 381 miles of EPA-rated range. Charging? With DC fast charging up to 500 kilowatts, this machine recovers miles in minutes. The engineering here is not just about numbers, it's about delivering an ultra-smooth, reliable interior view. Studio Microphone. Step inside, and the 2025 FF 91 reveals its crown jewel, the cabin. Imagine sitting in a luxury lounge that also happens to move at supercar speeds. Over 10 digital screens surround passengers, offering more than 100 inches of combined display area. The dashboard now integrates AI-driven personalization, adjusting climate, media, and driving modes based on the driver's habits. 5G connectivity ensures seamless entertainment and communication. Compared to the 2024 version, the seats have been re-engineered with enhanced ergonomics and multi-sensory comfort features. The rear passengers enjoy reclining executive-style seating, complete with massive displays for streaming or work. The cabin lighting responds dynamically, syncing with your mood or the music playing. This is not just an interior, it's an intelligent living space on wheels, blending luxury, technology, and futuristic ambience. Rear back view. Studio Microphone. At the back, the FF 91 makes a bold exit statement. The sleek taillight strip mirrors the front's LED bar, giving the SUV a futuristic symmetry. The sloping roofline transitions elegantly into the rear deck, balancing sportiness with spaciousness. Subtle changes in 2025 include improved aerodynamic vents and sharper detailing around the diffuser. The number plate again stands out with 2025, symbolizing the car's identity as a next-generation pioneer. From the back, it's clear, this isn't a vehicle designed just for arrivals, but for unforgettable departures. Top view. Studio microphone from the top, the FF91 looks like a spacecraft more than an SUV. The panoramic roof stretches endlessly, flooding the interior with natural light during the day and offering a starlit view at night. The roofline flows with aerodynamic precision, reducing drag while enhancing style. The 2025 refinement includes stronger UV protection and acoustic insulation, ensuring ultimate comfort. This aerial perspective showcases the harmony between technology and design, a futuristic pod of luxury gliding through time. Outro/cinematic view. Studio microphone. And now, the outro, a cinematic 3/4 shot capturing the FF91 in its full glory. Under showroom lights reflecting off glossy white marble flooring, the pure black paint shimmers like a jewel. Compared to 2024, the 2025 edition feels more mature, more confident, and undeniably more futuristic. It's not just an update, it's a revolution in progress. The Faraday Future FF91 2025 isn't here to compete, it's here to redefine what we expect from luxury EVs. Sleek, powerful, intelligent, it's the car of tomorrow, available today. Until next time, this is Auto Nova, bringing you the future, one masterpiece at a time.